Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see about the function called VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a very important function in Excel which can be used to search the element based on that criteria mentioned. And here we defined that formula for VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP is accepting four parameters. And the first one is a search element, and second one is a search range. Search element is like which element you want to search in the specified range, and second is a search range, and third one is what value should return and which position it should return. So third parameter is a result position, and fourth parameter is a search type. This is an optional field, optional parameter, and the search type can be approximate search and exact search. By default it is a exact search. Exact search is a false one. If you want to search approximately, then your search element should be in a ascending order. Means if you are having that search element in ascending order numeric value, at that time you can go for approximate search. Let's get into the video. Here we have five columns: code, first name, last name, mail address, area code, and S5 is the search element. And here we are going to see the result. Let's type the formula, and this is the formula for VLOOKUP. And here if you check that, we have four parameters. The first one is a search element, so I am taking that search element as a B3, and the second one I am specifying that search element search range from A6 to E11, and I want that result position. So third one is a result position. Here only that controller will return that searched value here. So my target is like, I just want that first name of the search element. That means I want that Sunil to be written in that result. So here Sunil is a second position, means this is the search column, and controller will look that what is the position I need to return the value. If I have that return result, means the search position is available in that A column. I just want that first name of the search element. So a VLOOKUP will be used to return the result from left to right position. So here if I want that first name of that result, return result, I need to mention the second position, and the fourth one is a optional field, is a search type, that will explain later. And here if you check that the controller is returning is 3. But how does it come? Because we are looking for the search element in the column A. VLOOKUP always do the search from top to bottom level, and here in the first column, here that range is something like A6. A is the first column. VLOOKUP always look for the value in the first column, and the first column the search element value is available in the A10 cell. So this is the return result column, and here the third parameter we want the result in the second position. So this is the first position, the second position. What is the second position value? Sunil. So the result will be the Sunil. And VLOOKUP always look for the value from left to right, and if you want to search a value apart from right to left or in any other way, you can go for XLOOKUP function. And fourth parameter always be defined as a false. That means the controller will look for only that exact search. Assume that instead of S5, if I change the value to S10, it will return the value as a ENA. Means there is no result available for that. So let's we go for another example with approximate search. So for that, that code should be in a numeric order with ascending. 6, 10, 50 and 100. I can go for that. Now I just want to search a value 15. I am deleting that. Now I just want to search the value 15. But here if you check that in the A range, I'm not having that value as a 15. Let's see how it is returning that. Again I'm typing that VLOOKUP and I'm just selecting that search element in the search range here, and I want the second position in the result column, and I'm mentioning true. Let's check it out. Here it is returning as a knuckle, but you are not having that search element as a 15 here. But how does it come? Because we mentioned the search type as a true. Assume that if I change that true to false, the result won't come. The controller is saying there is no value available for the defined lookup function. So this is what the definition of the lookup. Hope it helps you, and see you again with another interesting video.